of the Goans are opposing most of the projects in Goa. In recent of the time, we have seen that the police and was intervened. So how is it for that?
See, it is very
Yeah.
2-3 projects which are of importance for Goa, which are going to destroy the environment. One is they are trying to divert the Madai. Second are those Mole projects. All this will destroy environment. If you have seen, everywhere there is a hue and cry about the environment. Corona is right in front of us. COVID cases are a disaster in Goa. Now, all these things are going to reflect on the next generation. So it is our forbound duty to see that nothing affects our next generation. But they are our own children. For that, we have to not allow this cutting of trees, cutting of embankments, hills, wildlife, flora, fauna, we have to protect. Now, cutting of trees on such a massive scale. The first project they have done is the BJP government, is the highway project. They have cut more than 25,000 trees. Mopa, they are going to cut another 25,000 trees. That is 50,000 trees they are going to cut within the next 2-3 years. They have already cut 25,000 trees. I want to ask the government where they have planted the trees back. Because there is a rule in the forest department, if you cut trees, you have to grow them back again. Let the government show where they have put the trees, where they have planted these trees first, and then go to cutting of the next. So we are totally opposed to the double tracking, cutting of trees, cutting of forest, downsizing the forest wildlife. This BJP government even is responsible for killing tigers and trying to take out the tiger reserve from Goa. Or the tiger trail which is there in Goa, they just want to remove it. They don't want to do anything else, destroy Goa. I have been raising these issues right from 2012. It's good now. People are there, we are with the people. I have been one person who have always been with the people. I will continue my tirade against the government. No matter what who says. I want to be on record in the assembly and out of the assembly. I don't want my children tomorrow to be asked by other children, what was your father doing in assembly? I am on record on every issue. Even this issue I will see that I raise in the assembly. Forget the consequences. The corporates can't rule us. The BJP government is of the they are the capitalists. We require a government of labor. We require a government of the people now henceforth. We can't afford to have this government anymore. So therefore we are opposed to it. Forget the political part of it. The environment cannot be destroyed. So all these trees, cutting of hills, cutting of killing wildlife because of this, as a reaction, will go against us. As it is, there is such massive destruction of trees. Nobody is checking. These days, because of Corona, clandestine cutting of trees are going on. Nobody even bothering, nobody even checking. Nobody is bothered also. Why? They are interested in taking away coal, taking away mines, taking away, illegally taking mines, not even paying cess properly. More than 1,000 crores of cess has to be paid when we are taking loans. Who are these people who have to pay cess? Are the corporates. All this present government is favoring corporates and destroying the common man. So we are totally against it. We will not allow, we will remain with the people fully. Let them even arrest us, no problem. We are ready to go inside. I'll be the first person, if you are arrested, to go inside.
One more thing is that the PWD minister has said that these things are required for development. We have taken locals into confidence. त्यांचे हे असणं मासे तिकून झाडां उतरलेलं आम्ही रोयताले 3 times म्हणटाले.
तो रोयतो म्हणटी खबर तेणे पडे ते हायवेक पडे खंय रोयल ते पयलीं दाखोवपा लाय तेका मागीर तेका उलोवपा रायटा नाल्यार तेका उलोवपा रायट ना. सेकंड तो पडे म्हणटा दॅट इट इज अ प्रोजेक्ट वीच यू हॅव टेकन पीपल इन टू कॉन्फिडन्स. जस्ट फॉरगेट अबाउट इट. गोवा इज नॉट बीन बेनिफिटेड. कोल पड म्हणटा तो कर्नाटका वयता गोंया वचना गोंया वचना इट इज गोइंग टू कर्नाटका अदर स्टेट्स सो गोवा इज जस्ट अ कॅरियर आनी हे कॅरियर हाब करपाक हिंगसान ट्रान्सपोर्ट करपाक कितले डिस्ट्रक्शन केलां तें तूं चोय पोर्ट्रस देखून बरोवंक लागले ते दे आर ट्रायंग टू फिल अप लँड अक्रॉस पोर्ट्रस म्हणजे फिलिंग अप द सी मीन दे आर रेडी टू डू सो मच डॅमेज टू द एनवायरमेंट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ अदानी अँड JSW and this few companies just because of few people they want to destroy so many people in Goa. What is the benefit for Goa? And if these ministers are saying that Goa is benefiting, I want to ask the power minister also, how many more applications have been made and by whom they have been made? Whom is going to be the power supplied if Goa requires power? Who tell him to make a clear-cut statement? Don't throw stones in the air. Instead of reducing the bills, instead of lowering the burden of the common man, they are here to finish the Goinkars. आमगे गोंयकारांक काबाक रुपया येयले आनी कांय ना.
They,
मुगे मागण्या लोकांक come out in numbers. This is an opportunity for you. Politics येतोले, politics वयतोले, but damage आमकां rectify करूंक जायना. आमी damage जाता ती साल्वा करुया प्लीज. मुगे मागण्या लोकांक let us not divide the people, let us not have 2 groups, let us not have 3 groups, let us not say म्हाका कितें पडलां तें म्हाका लागना हांव पयस आहा म्हाका रेल्वे लागना ना हे सगळे इश्यूआंचेर आमी सांगत आहाय